Good evening, sir.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening,
Good
sir.
evening, sir.
There are few dots in the exam.
Yes, yes. How was your test? So tonight, I'll post your results. Okay, tonight.
Yes, sir. Sir, I have several dots in the test.
Okay, how many doubts?
Even I have a few
Yeah,
doubts, sir.
even I have one.
Turn on your cameras. And heard that Toshnika has exams from coming Saturday, if I'm not wrong. When is your exam, Toshnika?
Sir, math exam is on 15.
Sorry,
Sir, math exam is on 15.
15. Okay, 10 days you have.
Sir,
Yes.
Yes.
Sir, from Thursday onwards, I'll come a bit late, sir, 50 minutes late because I'm having exams from Thursday.
Okay.
It is okay. Means I will come 50 minutes late. That's it.
It means I'll be continuing, man.
Okay, sir. No problem. I'll see the recording.
Yeah, you have to. Okay. And everyone make sure that attending on time. Turn on your cameras. Chalo. Actually, you. What is your doubt?
So in the question number 6, so do
Okay.
you want me to
Sir,
read the question?
The same dot, sir, question six.
Same dot, sir. Even I have doubt about question number 6.
Sir, you kept the test in Vizag. Some bit problem is
I
there.
checked the test in WhatsApp. How was your first voice test?
Sir,
Not
it
good,
was
not bad, sir.
not
Not
up
good,
to the
not
mark.
bad.
Not good, not bad.
Sir, something issue is there, sir. For the Vizag.
What was the issue?
Sir, so I think there are some wrong
Options, sir.
questions.
Yeah.
Questions and one more thing, sir. Options, I cannot see the options. Where to type it.
We have.
After some,
Yeah, we have
something,
given everything. 1 second.
afterwards I got, sir. I did.
One thing. Where is the question paper? Just look at the question paper. Yes, 1 second, guys. One second. I'm just looking for question paper. How many of you got 100%? Hmm? Hello.
Yes, sir.
How many of you got 100%?
That's only one dot.
Sir, Jivika, only Jivika.
Okay.
That's super, sir.
Sorry.
In that Vizag, they kept top 3 ranks there.
Okay. So 1 second. I got the question. Ah. Mhm. Let me share the screen. 1 second.
Sir, can you explain question number 6?
Yes, sir.
We'll go with
Yes,
one
sir, I
thing.
think
We'll go
this.
with one thing. 1 second. Look at this. So I think no one has doubt in first question.
No, sir, no
No,
doubts.
sir, no
No
doubt.
doubt, sir.
Second question.
No, sir. Till
No,
question number
sir,
6,
no
no
doubt.
doubt.
No,
The
sir. No
question
doubt.
six doubt.
Question number 6, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir, this one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, this one.
1 second. So यार कहाँ है एक मिनट. If two angles are complementary of each other, then each angle would be what? Oh, see, 1 second. Your voice is breaking. Your voice is breaking. Who's that? People are joining now. 1 second. Yes, yes. Tell me.
Sir, it
So the
should be
answer should be
acute
acute
angle.
angle, right?
Yes, sir.
One
But
Yes,
the
sir.
answer they're showing
In
is
Vizag,
right.
it's given as right angle.
Yes, sir.
1 second. Yes, your voice was breaking. Who's that?
Tayaba.
Sorry?
So I have one doubt in this question.
Yeah. See how
So in
many
this question number 6, the answer should be acute angle, right? But the answer in the showing in the bicep is option B, right angle.
yes, one
Yes,
second.
sir.
Yeah, 1 second. If two angles are complementary of each other, then angles add up to 90 degrees. The other angle is 90 degrees. Yes, that is a common thing.
So just everyone's voice, your voice is so low for me. So can you speak a
Okay.
bit
So what is
loud?
complementary? Yes. Tell me.
Sum of two angles is 90 degrees.
Yes, sum of two
Yes,
angles
sir.
is what? 90 degrees.
90 degrees.
90
90
degrees, sir.
degrees.
Whereas I'm taking x and y angles are 90 degrees. And what he said, if two angles are complementary of each other, then each angle is what? Okay,
Sir,
each angle
So each
should be
angle will be acute
Each
angle.
angle is acute angle, sir,
Acute
because
angle.
it's less than 90
less
degrees.
than 90.
Both are less
It can't
than.
be acute. It cannot be right angle triangle. So right angle is not correct. So what is that?
Acute.
Acute
Acute
angle, sir.
angle.
Of course, it's a small question. I don't know how it got wrong. It's
No,
acute.
that's
angle.
where I lost my mark. Otherwise, I would also
Even
have
I
done
lost my
it.
marks, sir, over there.
Okay.
Yeah, sir, me too.
So 76 is our maximum. 76 is maximum. I'll consider those who got 76 100%. How many of you got 76 apart from this question?
Sir, I got 76.
Sorry. And
Sir,
or
I
else,
got 76.
or else, how many of you got? How many of you wrote? Which option it was? 1 second.
That was option.
So it was option
Option
C.
C.
How many of you
Option
wrote
C,
option
sir.
C? How many of you wrote option C?
Sir, me.
Sir, me.
So me.
Sir,
That
me.
obviously done.
Sir,
Okay.
me, Piyush.
Sir,
So
me.
Mohit,
Sir,
sir.
Krishna Chaitanya.
Very good. So 1 second. Let me give you the result. So Jivika 70, Piyush 65. Okay, 60. Okay, vice versa. You guys got this. Hmm? For you, sixth question, option C is correct. So yeah. Okay, Jivika, who's this? Who's this? Yes, I'll give you Jivika and Piyush.
Sir, Krishna Chaitanya.
That
Sir,
even
even
obviously
Mohit,
done.
sir.
1 second. Look at this here. See here. Let me note the names of yours so that straight away we'll go for that. Can you please give your names? Can you please post your names? Those who have done that sixth question correctly but you got wrong, post your names in your chat box. Okay. Or else you text me personally in WhatsApp. That would be better, right? That would be
Yes,
better. Like, with your
Yes.
name. With your name. Please don't say that hi sir and straight away your name. अरे यार, how can I find? मैं कैसा पता चलूं? मुझे कैसा पता चलेगा कि आपका नाम ये है वो है? आप हाँ, please everyone should post your name as well as your question number and the doubt which you have. Clear? I hope you guys understanding. Yes, Pranav. Pranav Sastra. What is it? Pranav Sastra only, right? Your name? Pranav Patro. Yes. Pranav Patro. Very good, Pranav. What is your mark, Pranav? Yesterday I spoke to your mom. Yes. Pranav Patro. Good, very good. 60 marks you got. So 64 you might be getting. 65 you might be getting now. Very great marks, Pranav. So keep doing. So what about others? So Jivika got 70, Piyush got 65. Harini, what about you, ma? Very good, ma. Harini got this time very good marks. So,
Yes, sir. Sir, but I should
Sir, I
get
was-
60.
yes. I'll include that. Very good, Kana. So
Sir,
Sai,
but I should get 60 only, sir. I have put right angle itself. I should get
oh,
minus.
very good. That's what the genuinity. That's the genuinity we need. That's the honesty. Everyone should be like that. Clear. Don't say that. See, everyone should tell. Everyone should tell whatever that you are not correct. No one should tell me that ungenuine answer. If I find, I'll be putting 0.
Sir, actually for my test, I only had the first 6 questions, sir.
You drop a message in WhatsApp. I'll see that. I'll look into it.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
So for the sixth question, I need to get marks.
Yeah. Post, please, post your names. Please.
Sir, your voice is cracking.
Please text me personally. What I'm saying is, please text me personally if you have any doubts. If you done with that correct, please text me your name personally, and I'll be rechecking again that whether you got correct it or not. whether you got correct answer or not. If you still in a B option, I won't be giving you marks. Clear? So I think apart from that question, everything you don't have doubts. Paper was
Sir, I
very-
have few more doubts.
So I have few
Sir,
more
I have
doubts.
few
Sir.
more doubts.
Yes, yes,
Yes,
yes,
sir.
yes.
So let's start in the question number 14.
One second. Let me look at the Pranav 60, Akshit, Ananya, very good. Akshit, very good. Akshitian. Kavya Singhal 55. Why Kavya you got less marks this time? Vedika.
Sir, I should get 60, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, whatever. 60. Yes, great, good. But somewhat you got less comparatively
Sure.
last exam. No issues, beta. You learn from your mistake. That's what very important. Don't bother about your marks. That is not gonna, feed you. All right. Your knowledge is gonna feed you. All right. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You understand? Your knowledge is gonna feed you in future, not your marks. Try to remember this. So, okay, great. Strain 45, Krishna Chaitanya 50. Above 50, there are only 7 children. Okay. Strain Aditya, Akshit, Devasri, Sujay. Sujay got very less marks. Devasri, why? Sajid, only 15. Rishikesh, only 5. Are yaar. Why, guys?
Sir, I told you for the exam I only had the first 6 questions. Sir.
Rishikesh, you are only first 6 questions?
Yes, sir.
Why?
Sir, I'm not sure.
For everyone, they had everything, like if this was the PDF of question paper. Look at it. Okay, guys, so let us have a look at it there. Look at this. Which question you have done? 6th question we have done.
14, sir.
No, 14th, sir. 14th
Yes, sir,
question.
14.
14th one.
Sir, ninth one, can you see? Sir, ninth one.
Sir, question number 9.
We'll go one by one. An angle 14 degrees.
I am also having question number
Sir, the
9.
answer should be 38 degrees.
52, sir.
One second, please, everyone. All right. An angle 14 degrees more than its complementary angle. So then angle is what? How many have you done?
52 degrees, sir.
And how
Sir,
did
it's 52 degrees.
Angle is more. The complement is less.
Yes. See, without fail, you must as soon as you're done with your class, you have to post your name. If you're not doing that, is your mistake. I'm not going to give marks. You must post your names in WhatsApp. Okay. Tell your name. Okay. I'll be checking that and I'll be giving you. Strain has gone somewhere and coming back again.
Sir, I have a doubt in question number 17.
Strain has gone somewhere and coming.
Sir, in this question, they asked which angle to find out, sir.
One second. See here. Who has done? How many have you done? It has a 52 degrees.
Sir, I have
Sir, Mohit. Mohit, sir.
Sir, I
Harini.
Very good. See here, let me explain here. It is a 52 is the answer, not 38. Look at this. So guys, look at this. What he is saying, angle 14 degrees more than its complementary. So let us say one angle, the first angle, let the first angle say x, and the second angle more than
X
14
plus
degrees
14.
more than its
X plus
complementary.
X plus 14, sir.
Second angle what? X plus 14. All right. So now what can I do now? Add
So
all this.
also I forgot to tell you, my
One
options
second,
were kind of.
don't interrupt. Let me finish this, please. All right. So first angle is x, second angle is x plus 14. Sum of these two angles is 90 degrees. All right. Yes or no? So 2x is equal to how much? 76. 90 minus 14. Any doubts? So x is equal to what? 38.
38.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Look at this. An angle is 14 degrees more than angle which is more 14 more than its first angle. That's what we have to find out. So the second angle is more than the first angle. So 38 plus 14, which is.
Sir, but they said that to find out what is the angle, no, sir. They
No.
didn't say the angle which is 14 more than other angle.
Krishna Chaitanya, understand the language of the question, beta. I understand, but that is wrong. The way you understood that is wrong. Look at this. An angle 14 more than its complementary angle, comma. Then that angle is what? Angle which is 14 degrees more, that angle we must find, which is x plus 14. Then x plus 14 is 52. So 52 is absolutely right answer. Any doubt? Any doubt? The way. Look at the question here. That is what many children may make mistake. These are the very good questions actually. These kind of questions are very good. Look at this. An angle is 14 degrees more than its complementary angle, comma. then that angle is what? Which means the angle which is 14 degrees more, that angle we must find out. And I heard that, many of you are going to write your school test, especially Toshnika, I heard your name actually. So you have first 5 chapters, if I'm not wrong, number system, polynomials, lines and angles, isn't it? So linear.
Tomorrow my exam is there.
Sir, actually, I too have a math exam on 9th, sir.
Very good. Heard that many of you are going to write, and so you practice as many questions as possible. And I would request you all, please keep your doubts in one paper. All right. So if you have doubts, if you have any doubts, don't leave as it is, and just we'll ask whenever the next class is there. It's not like that. You please write all the doubts together in one page, or when page somewhere. All right. Whenever extra class is there, whenever the doubt session is there, and I'll be giving you chance to clarify your doubts in the coming class. All right. You do one thing today. You learn. You just keep practicing on daily, everyday basis. So we'll try to clear your doubts, clarify your doubts. Getting my point? But one student every day, one doubt only. Why? Because I cannot clear only one child's doubt, entire day. So everyone should get a chance, right? So that is what my policy actually. So one child, one doubt at a time. You understood? You understood? Anyone? Please, I hope you understood. I hope you guys understand why, because I should give an opportunity to everyone to clarify their doubts as well. Isn't it, guys? And at the same time, we must finish the syllabus as well. We have to clarify your doubts. We must finish the syllabus as well. So that is what I'm telling to everyone. So you try to understand that and prepare accordingly.
Sir?
Yes, Vijay.
Yes, please, sir. Sir, can you speak a little bit louder? We can't hear your voice.
Sujay, tell me, Sujay.
Yes, sir. So what happened was when I was doing these questions, I actually marked my
Turn on your
options.
camera and speak. If not, keep quiet.
Okay, sir. But what happened was when I was like doing the questions, my options looked a bit glitched. Like they were like cut or something like that. They looked a bit glitched.
See, yes, it is the same PDF to everyone, guys. The same PDF to everyone. There is nothing like different PDF I upload. For everyone, this is the same PDF which I have uploaded.
Yes, sir. The PDF you upload will be same, sir. But when like loading, some glitch might occur, and I had a little bit of a problem during like these questions.
See, one second, who is calling, sir? Sir, I'm talking to Sujay, right? I just so many times today I told you should not interrupt if I'm talking to someone. If I'm hearing someone's voice, please, you understand. Now I didn't understand anything what Sujay said. I just only understood that his paper wasn't clear, so he couldn't perform well. So that's what I heard. And one children was interrupting in between. Sir. Ila ever cheyadu, please, dayachesi. Try to understand. सबको मैंने बोल रहा हूँ, इधर जो भी है उसको मैंने just मेरा request है, guys. Try to understand if I'm talking to someone. अभी दूसरों से बात चल रही है मेरा, अगर दूसरों का doubt clarification चल रही है, others should not interrupt. Please, you try to listen what is doubt, so that might helpful for you as well, isn't it? So now Sujay is raising his voice towards his doubts, so now everyone must listen that. So you might get that kind of same problem in future, so then you can sort it out. Are you guys getting my point? So please try to understand here. Great. Okay. Yes, Sujay, you done with your doubt? There was like bit blurriness, right? There was bit.
Yeah, sir.
So I look at this only the question number 10, something like this. Everything was clear only. This much tick.
Yes, sir. 2-3 questions were like that only. But it's fine, sir. I got all the questions correct only when I did them. So it's okay.
You do one thing. Please try to download the did you have an option to download the question paper?
No, sir. It just said join the live thing, and I didn't download anything. That's the reason. It might be the reason.
Yeah. You download it, beta. Okay. If any issues, do you know Telugu?
Ochu, sir.
Ochu kada. So no adi cheyu okasari. Download chesi chudu emana blurry unte we'll find it out. Okay. All right, beta. Chalo. Next. Yes. Who has doubt next? Which question? Harini was talking something. Harini, please.
Sir, nothing, sir.
Good.
I was saying just that can you speak a little bit louder?
Okay. Next. Kaji, tell me Kaji Tayaba. Yes. Akshit, tell me Akshit. See, I'm just saying one name, Kaji.
Sir, I'm having doubt in question number 10.
Very good. Okay, what about others? So guys, look at this here. In the figure, in the given figure, straight lines PQ and RS intersected. Oh, magnitude theta. This is called as theta, guys. This is what called as theta. All right, this is what called as psi. All right. Yes. Yes.
Sir, I cannot see.
I think you have so much of in the internet an issue over there. I think everyone can see my screen and everyone can listen to me carefully. I mean everyone can hear me properly except you. But I don't know why every day it is a problem with you. Please check it out once. I think you have any network issue. I think so. Guys, is it clear with everyone? Can anyone not in a position?
No,
to
sir, it's clear.
No, sir, I'm not clear.
So for me,
you just disconnect your device and just try to join with some other device. It would be helpful. So look at this. Let me explain the 10th one. In the given figure, straight lines PQ and RS intersected. O, the magnitude theta. The theta. This one is theta given. Look at this. This one is theta. This one is theta. Is 3 times that of this one. Right. Clear? So then we have to find out this one. What we have to find now? R psi P. This is the angle we have. This is what we have to find out actually. Many of you are asking me that अरे भाई देखो इधर थीटा दिया है तो अदर एंगल कौन सा है? यही तो है, उसके अलावा दूसरा एंगल कुछ है क्या? कुछ भी नहीं है. हाँ उधर थोड़ा सा प्रिंटिंग मिस्टेक, थोड़ा तो वो क्या बोलता है प्रिंटिंग मिस्टेक, मतलब वो ऐसा था ना. Look at this. It was like this, right? It was something like this. Yes, it was something not like that. So I'm just explaining you that. So theta 3 times of this one side. So he is asking us to find that one. How many of you got this question correct? Piyush, I think Piyush has asked. Did you get Piyush this one?
Yes, sir, I got correct this one.
Sir, I got it correct, sir.
Very good. How did you do that?
After I asked you, you said to find the angle ROP, right? So what I did was, according to the question, I took the angle ROQ as 4x and the other one, 3x and the other one is x, and then I added them to be 180 degrees because they're a linear pair. So I got the answer.
Very good. So of course, look at this. Why? Because if the magnitude of theta is 3 times of that one. So what is the theta then? So what is the psi one? Let us consider this as let this angle is what and theta is what. Tell me. Let us say this x. This is what 3 times. Yes or no? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now how can we do that? So sum of these two.
x plus 3x is equal to 180.
4x, sir.
Yes.
4x is equal to 180.
So 4x is equal to 180 degrees and
X is equal to 45, sir.
Equal to 45.
45, sir.
देखो 45 ये हो गया हमारा 45, थीटा हो गया कितना 135. There is no option is possible 135, so he is asking for x. So 45 हो गया हमारा आंसर. C option is correct. कोई doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Shall we go for the next one?
What is
Yes.
So you will be learning in your higher classes.
So actually, what is?
You will be, will represent these things, this thing, this thing, this thing, this thing, this thing, this thing, this thing. All these things, these are different types of variables, I would say, to use an angle, to use unknown things. You'll be learning in your future classes. So these are fixed numbers. These are fixed constants, I would say, fixed constant. Theta will be using to represent an angle in trigonometry chapter. All right, these all are, will be using in different ways to represent something, to indicate something. All right, so you'll be learning in your future classes. So don't worry about it, don't bother about it. Clear? Only the symbol matters here. Whatever the symbol it gives you, it does not mean that you should know that. Here clearly we have to find out this angle. That's what the question is all about. I hope I cleared your doubt, Kana. Shall we go for the next one? Make it fast.
So question number 14.
14th one. 14th one, dekho guys, how many have you done this correct? If 2 lines are...
Sir, I have done.
Sir, I have done.
Krishna Chaitanya. Yes, look at this. If 2 lines are parallel intersected by a transversal, who's that? Shrayan, who said last?
Last set, sir.
Yes, Kavya. Tell me, Kavya, how did you done that? How did you finish and how did you solve?
I did not get this question. Actually, the answer they are telling is rectangle. So the transversal, if it is perpendicular, we may get rectangle. So, but the transversal may not be perpendicular, right? It can be a diagonal line also, right?
Sir, the thing is like we have to connect all of the interior angles at a particular angle. Like if you extend all the interior angles from all the sides, and if you just check the intersecting points, you'll get a rectangle figure.
Yes, because it is bisecting. It's bisecting means what? What's the meaning of bisecting?
It's dividing into two parts.
Two parts. Clear? So look at these two parallel lines. Tell me who has done this is what the basic understanding. Bisecting means dividing into two equal parts. Now, if two parallel lines intersected by a transversal, then the bisector of the interior angles form was what? Look at this here. So if I take this one, all right. So now, how can two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal? Then the bisector of the interior angles. So what are this? Tell me what are the bisectors of interior angles? Which part I supposed to concentrate on now? Tell me.
On the interior angles.
Sir, the left top part and the left down and right top and right down.
Left part.
Sir, the interior angles, right? We have to buy.
Yeah. Please. Put your point freely. Yes.
Hello.
Tell me. बेटा देखो मैंने बोल रहा हूँ आपने आपको बोल रहा हूँ मैंने yes whatever you said that is correct बेटा try to tell to me freely what I'm telling is two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal line in transversal then the bisector of the interior angles is talking about interior angles क्या क्या होता है देखो ये होता है एक ठीक है समझ में आ रहा है ये होता है एक ये होता है आ रहा है समझ interior angles yes or no
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now, if how can I look at this here? How can I join and frame as a rectangle? How can I decide my answer as a rectangle? Anyone? Let us say this is my AB line यार कोई मान लो ये AB है ठीक है so let us say one second आपको ऐसा नहीं समझ में आ रहा let us say this is my CD line.
Sir. So first we have to like draw the bisectors, right?
Okay, we have to draw a bisector as simple as that. So ये कोई मान लो angle LE and F line use F okay EF. Now tell me then the bisectors of the interior angles. Bisector of the interior angles is what?
Sir, line coming from
So like the line which cuts the angle into two.
The line
which cuts the angle into two.
So which
a line which equally divides the angle.
Yes.
Which equally divides.
Yes. Look at this here. Now let me prove how it is going to be a rectangle. Let me prove you. Let us write here. Let us write in one note here. 1 second. Very good question actually. So this is a line, and this is a transversal line. This is my AB. Guys, I'm drawing somewhat roughly. Try to let us finish as soon as possible. So E, A, F. Okay. So E, F. Okay. So look at this here. Here AB is parallel to CD. Yes or no? Now can I say? Let us write. This is what this point is something E, F. We have given G. Let us give G. Let us given this as H. Okay, so can I write now angle AGH is equal to DGH? Tell me angle AGH. Angle AGH. This one angle AGH is equal to DHG. Why?
Alternate interior
angles. Both are equal. Can I say now? Can I say?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So these are alternate interior angles now. See here, if I divide with an half, if I divide with the 2 on both sides, what I'm going to get, look at this. Perpendicular bisector, right? 1 second. Yes. DHG. So here, so why we are dividing with a half, why we are dividing by 2, it is dividing into 2 equal parts. Clear? One line dividing into 2 parts. That is what the meaning of that. Clear? All right. So now can I say these two are equal now? These two are equal. Now can I say half? I mean angle 1 is equal to 1 second if you are not understanding this one. Look at this guys, you take this as my angle 1. Okay, angle 1. Let us say this is angle 2. Clear? So now can I say angle 1 is equal to, therefore angle 1 is equal to 2. Clear? Yes or no? No. Any doubts? Why? Because these are alternate angles. Alternate interior angles are equal. Clear? Okay. Now here GM. Now let us talk about G. What is the GM? Let us give any name here. G. I'm just giving it two equal parts, right? This one. Two equal parts. Can I say this? Can I divide into two equal parts like this? Yes or no, guys? Yes or no? See, why? Because GM, look at this. Let us say any point here. Let us say this is my I. Let us say I. Okay, we don't have I, right? We don't have I. So can I say now GI and HI? GI and HI?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And one more thing, if I just divide by this. Look at this. This is, let us say this is my L. Let us say this is my LM. LM, guys. Let us say LM. LM. If you're not like this is my angle, I'm just dividing into two equal parts like this one, this one. Clear? That is the meaning of that. Look at it. Now let us write theoretically clearly. So here, guys, look at this. GL is parallel to MH. Yes or no? Parallel to MH. If I just construct like this. Yes or no? If I extend this, these two lines will be parallel. If I extend these two lines will be parallel, Kavya. You understand? You understand? Yes, so now if I take like that, now if I consider now, I'm not going to find out rectangular exactly here. My diagram is not good, but if you just think it out, if you use your common sense, of course it is going to frame a rectangle only if you draw it properly. You understood? Parallelogram is, of course, it's not going to be possible. Parallelogram is not going to be possible. Let us take it option. You just see, no need of drawing it fully actually. If you just go and yes, rhombus.
Sir, I have a doubt in question number 17, sir.
Yes, Bhargav. We didn't finish with this, Bhargav. So we'll definitely discuss that, Bhargav. You don't worry, Bhargav. Okay, Bhargav? Yes, Bhargav.
Sir, may I ask a doubt about this question?
Yes, sir. We didn't finish. We'll go with. Look at this now. Now here. Now can I talk about now what exactly this is going to be GMHL? Look at the GMHL is looking like, if it is like this, if it is like this, if it is like this, it is somewhat looking like a parallelogram, right? If it is like this, 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 this is somewhat looking like a parallelogram, isn't it? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
GMHL. Somewhat is looking like a parallelogram. Try to understand.
So the answer is parallelogram?
No. Look at this.
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Look at this. Yes. Please. 1 second. Now, let me prove everything here. So please try to listen to me till last. Okay. So GL and MH. GL and MH are what here? Here. These two are parallel. So can I say now GMHL is a parallelogram. Clear? Parallelogram. Now look at this here. Here A, B and CD. A, B and CD is what here? Okay, let me erase all these guys. So because it came in between, right? So, एक minute, ध्यान से सुनिए please everyone. Look at this now. Here AB is parallel to CD. This is what I know, right? Now look at this everyone here. What is the angle of this? This BGH. BGH plus DH. This angle and this angle. What is the angle of this? Angle G and angle H. Tell me. BGH and DHG. So sum of these two angles is going to be what?
180 degrees.
Sum of two interior angles are the same side of transversal. What I told you guys?
180 degrees.
Guys, look at this here. Sum of two interior angles. This angles will be is equal to 180 degrees. We have learned it clear cutly in the properties, right? So now can I write angle BGH plus angle BHG is equal to 180 degrees. Since sum of interior angles, guys, I'm writing somewhat fast, on the same side of Same side of transversal is equal to 180 degrees. Clear, children? Are you getting my point? I'm writing somewhat fast. Try to understand. I'm not giving you
Yes,
notes
sir.
here. I'm just explaining it. Same side of. Clear? So now look at this here. Again, let us divide by 2 because perpendicular bisector, right? The bisector. Divide by 2. If you divide by 2, what I'm going to get here? So angle, yes, you just write it BGH by 2 plus angle DHG by 2 is equal to 180 by 2, how much? 90 degrees. 90 degrees, yes or no? Now can I write now here half of this, half of this. Look at this here, BGH by 2. BGH, I'm just dividing into 2 equal parts. Look at this. Clear? Now can I say this is my angle 3? This is angle 4. Let me make the diagram clearly here. Let me resolve this. Angle, this was angle 1, angle 2. Now here BGH I'm talking about. Okay, let me give this as angle 3. Let me give this as angle 4. Okay, this is my angle 3. Angle 2 only, right? We have already given. Now can I say, guys, here BGH and DSC? This was my angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to how much? 90 degrees. Yes or no? Any doubts? Sorry,
Yes,
angle
sir,
2.
no doubt.
This is angle 2. This is angle 2 only, no? I'm talking about BGH. I took this as G, right? BGH, this angle plus this angle is equal to how much more? 180 degrees. So angle 3 plus 2 is equal to 90 degrees. Now look at this here. Guys, everyone try to understand it carefully. Now let us try to talk about this pink color triangle, red color triangle. We have two triangles here, right? Let us talk about this red color triangle here. So if you observe this carefully, if you observe this triangle carefully, sum of all angles in a triangle is going to be what, Kana? 180 degrees, isn't it? Isn't it? So now can I say angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle this L, yes or no, is equal to 180 degrees? Yes,
Yes,
or
sir.
no? Angle 2 is what here? What is angle 2 here? 90 degrees, of course. If it is a parallel line, it is going to make it 90 degrees perpendicular. Yes or no? This is L. What is angle 3 here? No, angle 1 and 2. Angle 1 and 2 what? Angle 1 and 2 what? Sorry, angle 3 and 2 what? Angle 3 and 2 is what? What is angle 3 and 2 here? What is angle 3 and what is angle 2?
And 90 degrees.
How it is 90 degrees?
Angle bisectors.
Perpendicular bisectors. It is dividing 90 degrees into equal parts, which is 45 each. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So from the triangle, let us now try to understand this carefully, guys. From triangle GLH. GLH only, right? Yes, GLH. Yes. Now if I talk about GLH, so in the GLH, so angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle L it was is equal to gives me 180 degrees. Angle 2 how much? Angle 3 how much? So 45 each. So these two together it gives me 90 degrees plus angle L. Angle L is equal to 180 degrees. Right? Now what is my L here? L आता है मुझे 90 degrees. 180 minus 90, 90 मिलता है. समझ रहे ना?
Yes, sir.
So L is equal to 90 degrees. So by using this parallelogram, can I say now L is equal to 90 degrees? By using this parallelogram, L is equal to what? 90 degrees. This is my angle 3, this is my angle 2. It just divides in two equal parts, which is a bisecting, right? So 45, 45. So now look at this, guys. L I got 90 degrees. Now, guys, how many of you know this? How many of you know that? For suppose, if any angle, if one of the angle, let us say one of the angle is the right angle in parallelogram, then it is also a rectangle.
Yes, sir.
How many of you know this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, if one of the angle is right angle, guys. If one of the angle is right angle in parallelogram, then it is also a rectangle. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now can I prove?
Yes, sir.
Now can I prove this GHML is a rectangle?
Yes, sir.
Can I say now? Is a rectangle. See here,
Okay,
one
sir.
of,
Thanks a lot.
now that is what the reason I'm saying you. Look at this here. Now, if I compare, this is also going to be 90 now, M angle, if you just do similarly. Now, this is my, if you just consider as a parallelogram only, now finally what? If one of the angle is 90 degrees, then is also a rectangle. So rectangle is going to be my answer. Clear? Clear? Why? Because I'm talking about interior angle. So from that, I just proved that one angle was 190 degrees. From that, I can conclude that it is a rectangle. Any doubt?
Sir, even
Sir, can it
square-
also be a square? It can also be a
Yes,
square,
sir.
right, sir?
So we have to measure the length.
No. Actually, if you do this proper with the proper measurements, with the proper angle, if you do so, you will get definitely not a square. You will get definitely a rectangle. Yes. Tell me.
But I have doubt in 17th question.
Yes. Arey Bhargav. Bhargav, definitely I'll clarify your doubt. Then only I'll leave the class. Don't worry. Yes. Doubt clear with this question. Shall we move forward for the next one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
15th one, I hope everyone might have done very easy question. 16th one also very easy. Any doubt, guys? 17th one.
Sir, I have doubt in the 16th question, sir.
Yes. Tell me, what is your doubt?
Sir, may I know the reason why C is not correct? Like, I put C, but I got it wrong.
It's the arms. Arms means what?
Sir, arms are like the angles, two rays of an angle.
Let us just side. Huh?
Sorry, sir?
Side.
Yes, sir, side of an angle.
Now, if the arms of one angle are respectively parallel to the arms of another angle, parallel to the arms
of other angles.
Of other angle, then two angles are what? So he's saying that neither equal nor supplementary, option A, and not equal but supplementary is saying that. Okay, guys, look at this here. Very, very good doubt actually. What he has given what? Arms of one angle respectively parallel to the, so arms of one angle are parallel to arms of another. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So it is now, can I say from this condition, can I say corresponding angles are equal, obviously?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us, now if you are not understanding, now let me draw a diagram. Okay, let me say this is my A line, so AB line. Clear? So let me say this is my CD line. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Parallel, right? Now if I join this so, I'll get a C angle C here. Let us say this is my, just now we have spoken that this is my theta, this is my let us say this is my alpha, whatever. Clear here?
Yes, sir.
And let us, if I just extend this one, so what I'm going to get if I extend this is a linear pair. So let us say this is my some let us say this is my small d. Let us say this is small d. Let us be small letters here also. Let us say this is small e. Yeah.
But in this case, the line is the common arm, right?
C, and this is D. Look at this here. Yes, 1 second. Yes, what are you saying?
So isn't E equal to D because they're interior opposite angles?
Yes, 1 second. Let us talk about everything here. Of course, you are right. E is equal D only. Yes, of course, E is equal D only, opposite interior angles. You are right. Look at this here. So what he has given?
Shouldn't be the bases parallel also?
Sorry?
So shouldn't the
bases also parallel, sir?
Be parallel also?
I cannot hear your voice properly. Who's talking?
Sir, me, Piyush.
Yes, tell me. BC, you're talking about angle BC? I mean, line BC?
Yes, sir. Shouldn't they be also parallel?
It can be. You're saying that BC is supposed to be parallel to what?
Sir, another line for the second angle.
This one. You're saying this one? If I extend this line, you are saying that here, this extended line.
So isn't it supposed to be like a parallelogram, like AB
Parallelogram, you're saying.
parallel to DC?
Parallelogram, you're saying. Yes, one second. Let us finish this our question. You will exactly get to know that. Okay, let us finish this. So given arms of one angle are parallel to given arms. This I know. This is parallel to this one. Okay. All right.
Yes.
This is what given. Okay. Now I can say that now corresponding sides. What corresponding sides are equal? Can I say corresponding sides will be equal?
Yes, sir.
Equal, obviously. Clear? Then, if corresponding sides are equal, then corresponding angles will be equal. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
See here, now let us talk about here angle ABC. Angle ABC and angle DCB. All right, here these two angles I'm taking here. All right, so now here AB is parallel to CD here. AB is parallel to CD, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, if these two are parallel, if base is going to be coincided here, base arm, the base arm is going to be coincided, isn't it? If both are parallel, now look at this man. If both are parallel, base can be coincided, is or no?
Yes, sir. It can coincide.
Common base. I would say that is a common base. Clear?
Yes, sir. The thing is like, shouldn't the bases be different? That is my doubt.
How you are saying?
I mean to say, like, suppose we take a transversal between parallel lines, and like the corresponding angles will be there, right, on top of each other, like that. I'm asking.
You are asking that if it is like this, then what would it be? You are saying that?
1 second, sir. So I'm just drawing it once. Okay. So can you see my video?
Exactly. 1 second.
Look here, this one.
I can't see your face. Where are you? Yes, please open your video.
Hello. Hello.
Yes. Tilt it properly. Yes, I can see here.
Yes, sir. So I mean to say, like here the bases are different, right? Here and here. It's the same way, and they're parallel to each other, right?
Yeah.
So I'm asking the same way, shouldn't the arms be parallel to each other, like the bases also?
It can be. It can be. I understood that. Why can't the base? Why can't be the corresponding sides be a parallel? You are saying that one. Yeah, not an issue. Yeah, it would be. It can be. It can be. There is no point that you can take like that as well. You can take like that as well. All right, beta. Correct है. वो भी correct है. तो इधर ये भी parallel हो गया CD को. देखो ये भी parallel हो गया CD को इधर. हाँ. Now can I say, guys? Here, what is my transversal line here? What is my transversal line? Now here, if I extend this one, BC is transversal, and BC हो गया transversal. All right, BC is transversal.
Yes, sir.
Now clearly here E and D is equal. E and D are equal. Why it is equal? Alternate angles. Alternate angles. Clear? Now one more thing here. Now can I say here F plus D? F plus D. What is F plus D here? 180 degrees linear pair. Clear?
Yes, sir.
And now can I say now F D is what here E? So F plus E can I write 180 degrees? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Now what can I conclude? Hence, both angles either equal or supplementary. Understand? Understood? Either equal or supplementary. F plus D is equal 180 degrees and F plus E also 180 degrees. Now can I say both either क्या आ रहा है? दोनों को मिलाने से 180 आ रहा है. तो क्या आ रहा है? इधर complementary or equal? दोनों E is equal D आया ना मुझे? देखो E is equal D आया इधर. E is equal D alternate.
Yes, sir. Sir, can it be like equal and supplementary?
Yeah, that is the thing.
Equal.
So equal and supplementary.
Look at equal and supplementary. Equal and where is the answer? Look at the options. neither nor, not possible, not equal but supplementary, not possible, equal but not supplementary, not possible, either equal or supplementary. Yes, that is option possible. अरे भाई ऑप्शन देखो कहाँ है आपका आप जो बोल रहे
No,
हैं.
so I was just normally asking,
Yes,
like,
yes, yes,
can it
yes,
also
yes.
be equal and
Yes,
supplementary?
that is what. No, equal है, supplementary भी है. అక్కడ equal ఉంది, supplementary కూడా ఉంది కదా. అవునా కదా?
Yes, sir.
Getting my point right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now next question. Which question next? 17th one. So which of the following is not correct? What is the meaning of the question? Please tell me first. Which of the following is not correct?
Incorrect.
False.
sir.
which
Incorrect,
is-
sir.
Is not correct. Means false. False
So the
statement.
following is false.
Tell me which option is false here?
So option B.
Sir, all
Option
of
B.
them. Sir, all of them.
All of them.
All of them, sir.
All
Yes,
of
sir,
them.
because it's nowhere mentioned
That
that
the lines are
sir,
parallel.
all the two lines are parallel.
Okay. Few of you given all of them. What about others? Make it fast.
Sir, I think it's option C.
Sir, it's option D, sir.
One
That's
second.
because it didn't mention that they're parallel.
Yes, sir.
If two lines are intersected by a transversal line, then alternate angles are equal. Is it clear? Is it correct?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
It is not correct, man. When parallel lines it say, then it is correct. Yes or no, Piyush? Listen to me carefully. Very small change here. Very small change. छोटा सा change है. उसीलिए मैंने ये question दिया था. That is what the reason I have just put this question. मुझे पता है. Many children will make a mistake here. So if two lines are intersected by a transversal, ठीक है? So then alternate angles are equal. Alternate angles are equal. This is a wrong statement. When two lines are parallel and these two parallel lines intersected by a transversal line, तब क्या होता है? Alternate angles equal होता है. But उधर he didn't mention that parallel lines. Simply as given. Then the option is wrong. Option A is wrong. Clear? ठीक है? हाँ. What is the next one? What is the next one? If two lines are intersected by a transversal, sum of interior angles same side 180. ये तो बराबर है, सही है.
Sir, option A is wrong, right?
Sir,
Yes, option A. One
B is
second.
also wrong, right?
Option A is wrong. 1 second.
Sir, but option A is the correct answer.
Yes, yes. Wait. I didn't say anything answer. I didn't say option D.
Sir, option C is wrong.
1 second, beta. Look at this. If two lines are intersected by a transversal, then corresponding angles equal. Tell me. ये तो सही है ना? ये तो सही है क्या? Is it correct or wrong?
No, sir, because it's not mentioned that the lines are parallel.
Yes. Is it? हाँ. If it is not a parallel, though it's not a parallel, two lines. कुछ भी line ले लो भाई. कुछ भी line ले लो. Is it a possible now? Is it possible? Tell me. कुछ भी line ले लो. Look at this. I'm just taking these two lines. I'm taking these two lines. Tell me. If a transversal line is there, tell me corresponding angles are equal.
No, sir.
No, sir.
मैंने पढ़ाया था आपको. 1 second, guys. मैंने पढ़ाया था आपको. क्या पढ़ाया था मैंने प्रॉपर्टीज में? Make it fast.
That alternate interior angles are equal. The angles, option A is wrong.
Sir, if they're
Option A
parallel,
is
then
wrong.
it
बराबर है बेटा. वो
Sir.
100% option A is wrong here. Look at this. हाँ. Now what we have learned here is, मैंने प्रॉपर्टीज में पढ़ाया था. वो एक बार रिवाइज करेंगे उसको एक बार. ठीक है?
Sir, the thing is like it's showing the correct answer as C for that thing, even though it's all of these. For me, it's showing the correct answer as C.
1 second. So which of the following is not correct? He's asking. So option A is not correct here. One thing, and if two lines are intersected by a transversal, corresponding angles are. So all of this तो not correct. All of this कहाँ से आ गया भाई? Not correct. Option A should be that.
But sir,
What is option?
in
Answer.
question it is given option C is not correct.
Two lines are. हाँ. If two lines are parallel, ये नहीं हो सकता क्या? Option A should be there. Option A must be there.
Sir, it won't be right, sir.
Huh?
Sir, it won't be right.
So why? Because parallel is not mentioned. You turn on your camera.
Sir, could you please repeat because your voice is breaking for me.
So isn't option C also wrong?
19, you have only 2,840.
Hello? Is he speaking?
Hello, hello.
Yes, sir. I can hear
Yes,
you.
sir.
Can you hear me, guys?
Yes, sir. I can hear.
Yes, sir. Now we can hear you.
Yes. Look at this here. Hello. Are you- I'm
Yes,
getting
sir,
this-
we can
I'm
hear
getting
you.
these sounds.
Yes, sir.
Look at this here. Guys, everyone knows that अगर लाइन पैरेलल है, ये तो लाइन पैरेलल हो गया, अगर ये ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन है, देखो when two or more lines are cut by a transversal line, दो से ज्यादा, when two or more lines cut by a transversal line, the angles which occupy the same relative position, which means corresponding positions, that's what we have spoken about. corresponding angles called क्या होता है, उसको बोलते हैं corresponding angles. lines parallel होता है तभी corresponding angles क्या होता है,
So then only corresponding angles will be equal.
ये तो यही तो पढ़ा था हम लोग. Guys, I'm getting my voice as some resound. Okay, is it proper with you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It's proper.
So it should be all of them, right?
So yes, look at this here. No. The first option is wrong. The second option is what?
If the co-interior angles.
Co-interior angles कब होता है, वो भी parallel होना चाहिए, but he did not mention parallel here.
Yes, sir.
He did not mention parallel in third option as well. So all of these are wrong. How many of you understand this?
So the thing is, like, it's showing for me all of these as
Yes, sir.
wrong.
All of this is wrong and option C is correct.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please
According to
correct,
Yeah, we
sir.
will.
We
Yes,
do.
definitely. I'll give for this question as well. Question number 6 and 17. If you have done this correctly, just post the message to me. Everyone, immediately. Now we have done with the class. You start taking your phones. Post the message in WhatsApp group.
Sir, even question number 19, sir.
Question number
I have
19.
done
Yeah,
with question
sir.
number
Same,
19.
sir. Question number 19.
Same thing.
19 is also wrong, sir.
Not false.
Yes, sir.
Like, question number 19, it says that.
Sir, what is the correct answer? Sir, what is the correct answer for question number 17?
D beta. D है. Clear? Is it clear?
Sir, what is the correct answer for question number 17?
That is what I'm saying. D for Delhi को जाना है. आ रहा है समझ?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, once can you post all the answers, sir, like A, B, C, so that we can correct?
Look at this here. सब क्वेश्चन सही है. Option 17 is D. Option 6 is acute. And option look at this here. Which I'm just putting the questions whichever you have doubt. Okay. Apart from these, everything is correct.
Sir, question number 19, sir.
Question number 19. Which of the following statements is not false? Not false means क्या होता है? Not
Correct.
false.
True, sir.
True.
It will be true.
True कौन सा है इसमें? Which one is true? So if
So
angle
option C.
forms a linear pair, then each of this angle measure 90 degrees. ये true है?
So false.
Not be, sir.
False, sir.
False.
False है. He's asking for not false. Angle forming a linear pair can both be acute angles.
False, sir.
False, sir.
हो सकता है क्यों? False हो सकता है. ठीक है. हाँ. One of the angles forming a linear pair can be obtuse angle.
True.
True, sir.
This is the
बेटा
one.
देखो अगर ये one of the angle forming a linear pair can be obtuse angle. एक acute होगा तो दूसरा होगा obtuse होगा. ठीक है. When linear pair when it is forming a linear pair, एक acute होगा तो दूसरा obtuse होगा. एक obtuse होगा तो दूसरा acute होगा. ऐसा होता है. Bisector of these adjacent angles form a right angle.
False, sir.
Huh?
False, sir.
False.
sir.
Then how many of you done this? How many of you done this question correctly? Like which option has been given in the option? Which has been provided? Which option?
So C is the correct answer, but it is given as A, sir.
Yes,
So it's
Option A.
given as A, but the correct answer is C.
C,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Is it given C?
Saying
So the
database
answer is given as A.
The answer is given as A, sir. Correct answer in Bizap.
Yeah. But the thing is, like, they did not deduct marks for me for that.
So they deducted marks for me for that.
From
Yes,
you
sir,
also
same
they
here.
deducted, sir.
Yes, sir.
How many of you done? How many of you gave C as correct?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
I have
Mohit, sir.
done.
Mohit,
Yes,
sir.
sir. I have also done
Sir,
C.
Akshay.
Copy signal.
Yeah, ba.
So 90 degrees. Option C should be correct. Yeah.
So it is option C only. It is showing option C only.
Option C only. I think I have given this one, but not sure. Yeah, we'll check it. Option C is the correct है. सही है. कोई doubt नहीं. ठीक है, guys. So please, guys, please, if you didn't understand anything, please write with your doubts. We'll discuss.
Sir, can I ask something? I was disconnected in question number 17. What is the correct answer?
Option D for Delhi होता है. देखो मैंने दिखाऊंगा आपको.
Sir, so I have done it right, but it is showing wrong. So you will
give. Don't worry.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है, आप please try to put a message to in WhatsApp. Put a message to me in WhatsApp. I will give. Clear with the question number.
Yes, sir.
17th, 19th.
Okay,
6, 7, 19. So 6, 17, 19. जो भी 6, 7 to 19 में, sorry, 6 to 17, 19 में, अगर how many of you, if you are getting all this correct, you just put a message. If any, whichever the question you are getting correct, you just post a message to me. Clear, children? Any doubt? कोई doubt?
No doubt, sir.
No,
Sir,
no doubt, sir.
can you show 19 question?
Second, please discuss 20th question. Is there a formula for finding it?
Sorry?
So can you please discuss the question?
No. There is no formula. You just use common sense. Look at this here. How can we do that? What is the question? There are 4 lines in a plane. No two of which are parallel. No two of which are parallel. The maximum number of points in which they can intersect is. What exactly you guys understood from this? There are 4 lines in a plane, guys. Okay, there are 4 lines in a plane. So no two which are parallel, maximum number of can. Look at this. Let me just tell you exactly. देखो बेटा, ये क्या है? There are 4 lines. देखो 4 lines ले लो. कुछ भी ऐसा एक. And no two are parallel to each other. Because parallel नहीं होना चाहिए. ऐसा एक ले लिया मैंने. ऐसे एक ले लिया कुछ भी. ऐसे एक कुछ भी ले लिया. ठीक है? No two lines are parallel here, no. This is L1. This is L2. This is my L3. This is my line 4. देखो no two lines are parallel here. समझ रहे हैं? आ रहा है समझ? हाँ. The maximum number of points which can intersect. Intersecting points कितना आते हैं? देखो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Option C is correct. कोई doubt?
And internet is showing some 4 into 3 by 2, some formula. So I was asking.
अच्छा, so there is आप देखो कॉमन सेंस लगाओ भाई. हाँ वो भी है फॉर्मूला. यस फॉर्मूला यू माइट बी देयर बट जस्ट कॉमन सेंस लगाएंगे तो प्रैक्टिकल से सॉल्व करेंगे तो और ज्यादा फॉर्मूला के ऊपर फॉर्मूला से ज्यादा इफ यू आर बिलीविंग मोर इन प्रैक्टिकल drawing practical solving, the practical way of solving, it would be better than formula. So ये बहुत तो सिंपल तो कॉमन सेंस का क्वेश्चन है. आप ऐसे ड्रॉ करके देख लीजिए. थर्ड ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट होगा आपका. ठीक है? आया समझ? Yes, children, have class for your seniors now. It's been 8 minutes late, so I have to just leave now. So we'll meet in the next session. Please be ready with your doubts. So I hope you understood. Clear?
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you, sir.
draw lines differently.
Thanks a lot, sir. Bye.
Okay, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir. So, bye,
No
sir.
two lines are
Bye, sir.
parallel here. Try to read the questions. I'll be sharing these notes.
Bye.
I'll be sharing these notes. See, Harini was asking the answers. So whatever we have solved, ma, I'll be sharing this class note. This PDF itself, I'll be sharing. You don't worry, ma. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay.
Bye,
Thank
sir.
you. Thank you. We'll meet in the next session. Goodbye.
Thank you.